classes taught by top-notch faculties, doubt-clearing sessions, the quizzes were a complete edge over the other courses.
It's different from other online courses because you have a certain level of responsibility that next time you go to a class, you should know what happened before. So you're responsible to yourself in terms of, hey, I need to learn this, I need to understand it so that I can ask my respective doubts to those people. And they were following up with deadlines, with like suitable deadlines, so that we are also up to date and not sidetrack this in terms of our regular academics and stuff like that. So I think that is a very good part of this, and which makes it very different from other online courses.
The best thing I like about the course is lab sessions, which solve my doubts and provide an opportunity to connect with peers.
FNML course was very much insightful. We were having live interactions with the professors, which helps in understanding the concepts more easily and build curiosity to take on lab works and projects with interest.